from KōluaWax, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to wax your underarms. So I'm doing this myself, and it's important to look at the direction of your hair growth and make sure that you apply the wax with the direction of hair growth and remove in the opposite direction. So fortunately for me, all of my hair is going down, so I'm going to apply all of my wax downward and then I'm going to remove upward. So let's get started. First things first, you want to use the cleaning solution. This comes in your sampler kit, and you just spritz this right on to a cotton round and then wipe over the area that you are going to be waxing. Once it's nice and clean, you can test your wax. Always do this on your wrist. Make sure that it is a good temperature. It's perfect, not too hot, not too cold. Your wax isn't too runny. If it's too hot, it might burn your skin. If it's too cold, it might not adhere to all of the hair, sorry. All right, so you're gonna create like a little beehive with the stick. Get a ton of wax on the end and then just twist it around. And you're going to start at the top. Oh. And then create a little lip at the bottom. It's also good to smooth these edges here and create that little lip. Like that. Once it's dry, you're going to lift up at the bottom and you're going to pull the skin taut, count to 3, and then lift in the opposite direction of hair growth. So I'm going to pull up. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I like to put a little pressure afterwards. Perfect. You can see all the cute hairs that were in my underarm that are now gone. And use this to pick up any extra wax, anything like that. Now I'm going to grab our hydrating post-wax oil. This comes in your starter kit as well. Spritz this onto a cotton round and then apply it to the area you just waxed. And voila! You are hair free. I'm ready to go to the beach. I don't have to wear a giant sweater or hoodie, and you can do this too. Super simple.